Extra padded bike seat. These bike seats are built with extra padding and steel spring suspension that can help spare you from discomfort, all while distributing the pressure evenly. This is a great bike seat replacement for an outdoor bike. Custom comfort, tested by more than 25,000 cycling enthusiasts, this bike saddle is a perfect fit for those seeking extra comfortable outdoor bike seats. Ergonomic design. This wide bike seat is nimble, ergonomic and has universal construction to make it compatible with all standard bikes. Universal compatibility. The universal mount will fit your ride whether it is a cruiser, mountain, road city, fixed gear, or touring bike. The steel springs and standard rails mount system make this padded bike seat stand out against the rest. Complete package. This deal comes with perks. You'll get a waterproof bicycle cover, easy-to-use tools to mount, a universal bicycle seat adapter, mounting instructions, and an ebook filled with additional info as well. Top reviews from the United States. Very comfortable. Having only just bought new e-bikes for myself and my wife, and being of, shall we say, slightly more mature years, the stock saddles on the bikes, whilst reasonably comfortable, were lacking something in the width and springing department. Neither of us are large people, but older buttocks do need a bit more support and spring. I purchased the first one for my wife's bike and it was fitted inside 5 minutes with no problem at all. She took it for a ride and came back smiling and declaring it extremely comfortable. I tried her bike and liked it so much I ordered another one for myself, and as before it arrived quickly, with everything you needed to fit it, and again it was fitted in a very few minutes, probably less than 3 minutes this time, and on taking it for a test ride it just confirmed the first impression that it is a very comfortable saddle. The width and the hefty springs really help to soak up the rubbish roads that abound in this area of the Lake District. It was noticeably more comfortable on rough tracks, and I would say it was a really worthwhile investment. The quality of the product really stands out, and it even comes with a rain cover should you need it. I can't fault this saddle. It looks good, it is really well made and very impressive quality. If you are dithering about whether to buy or not, then based on my experience as a man of nearly 70 I can only say, go for it and buy.